Hi friends, welcome for next lecture PLC Omron PLC software CX programmer versions in 9.5. Today we will use instruction of PLC block comparisons. Lecture number 20. Block comparisons about function code of 068 and purpose comparisons to block of data byte by words or words by words. What are the functions when the true conditions when the source data value is lower limits, under and upper limits, and midway then will range result towards is on going through on. We can use this range one time 16 bits, and T1 is the first words and tables, and results is arts used to functionally return true if all corresponding elements in both blocks are identical, and false otherwise. Uh, whereas this use and cases checking data integrity, comparing sensors readings, verifying data transfers. Today we use the tables for this make practice. Source data is a memory the D100s, and tables memory is D200s and D201, and the value is the first value, the 40 to 60 midway. Then the result is 300.00 is going on, and second value is D100s is due 20 and 30s midway 202 and 203, which is the tables and number plus n plus 1, and going this midway value finds a result will be on 300.01, and like this types we use the four sensors, and like different instructions make value going for make practice continue. And if you use the more 16-bit data, then we'll use the block comparisons to 502 function code, and this brief details going for practice. Now going for software through. What first thing you understand why this use the block comparisons. So block comparisons, if you have one inputs like the sensors and transducers, and you have inputs given the proper data, like this value is come on and given the value is the D100s. Suppose D100 value is come 40, 60, 90s, and you on the outputs like this output to on 16 outputs is the one time on, one sensor to 16 outputs on. So first the on and clarity will come control plus J and W. This is the simulation. Now the online simulation key control shift plus W. This is the simulation they come. Now we check this, the window is minimized, input is not come, a value is the already given, and 200 is 40 and 201 is 60, and 202 is 20 and 203 is 30. If sensor value given the 22, suppose this midway 20 and 30, then output is going on. This sensor according output is going on 2. This is the 3.000 and 3.001 and 3.002 and 3.00. This is the 3 and 4, and this is the 5. Now we use only 5 input, but we can use the 16 output. 16 output use. First input to 16 output use. What different cases make online. First this on and check control plus G, the shortcut key is forcefully on. Now if the value is 995, sensor value given the 995. So what is output is on? Check that is value is come is 99s and 208s and 209s. Under midway, lower limits is 208s, upper limits is 209s. Value is lower limits 900, upper limit value is 100. So midway value is come, output is going through ons. So output is the D 300.04 ons, outputs is on, like 100.015. So use the inputs like this value 40 and 60, mid 50, that is the D150, the given outputs. Now check the outputs. Output is the first is on, first value upper limits and lower limits midway, the outputs 300.00 on. Second value, like you already programs 202 and 203, 20 and 30. So if you given the 21s and 20 and 30s, the output is 300.02, 1 is on. So check, like 21's value is given to 21, given is to 21's, the output is 0.1 is on, 300.01 is output is on, data memory is on, and like make programs for 100.02 is on. So different cases, one sensor input is come and outputs are different, depends on what depends it's your minds and depends on process, what is the process of machine. So you can use block comparisons. This is very helpful for make programs criticals and basic. Thank you for watching this video. If you any have questions your minds, can you ask me or directly, I will definitely support you. Thank you for watching this video.